Okay, so for this video, this is going through the storefront. There's a command line application kind of showing a store for one storefront for purchasing items, but also for a manager view for actually being able to update your inventory. Let's go ahead and run node app.js. All right, so first off, one of the things I did is I made sure I found a way to clear the console just to try to give it more of a feel of an actual application instead of just updating line after line. But first, let's take a look. All right, so let's view items for sale. And here everything is. So what I did here is I used Inquire and to make everything line up so it's all selectable, but to get all of these individual lines to actually line up, I used a add to end and add to start. So basically what it is every time I'm going through and I'm getting the responses from MySQL, I loop through everything twice. So I loop through it once for formatting it and then once to actually create the lines. The first one just loops through everything and finds out which one has the longest length for both on the item name and also on the department name. Then as they're actually being added to the Inquirer prompt, they're being all changed to have empty spaces at the end to push it as far down so they all end up as long as the longest one. And then for messing with the numbers, so here, since these are single digits, here's same thing, missing a number here. On there, I'm using ifs for being, hey, if it's less than 10, then you're going to have to add a space. If it's greater than 10, then no space needed. Let's go ahead and let's purchase something. Actually, you know what? I don't want to buy any of this crap. Cool. And it takes me back to the beginning. But let's go through and let's buy something. Let's buy some self-sealing stem bolts, 100 gross. And we got 10 quantity there. And here it is. Now it's saying you've selected this. They cost $9.99. There are 10 available. How many would you like? You know what? Nah, I actually don't want any. Okay, no purchase made. So let's go back in. And now let's buy 6 this time. And now the message is going to say, thank you for your purchase. You bought 6 of them, and then it gives you your total. Now, I also threw in here into the same application, the manager view, kind of did it as like a hidden one down underneath. So right there, could do like something, use like Passport or something and actually have it be something where you've got to log into. So we're just going to pretend like you had to log in. So first thing up is we're going to, one of the options is to view the inventory. So this is non-interactive. This is just saying, hey, here's the inventory. Here's where you're at. So enter, returns you back to the manager view. All right, so now let's see what's low. What's got 5 or less? So same thing. We're formatting it in the same style, so it keeps a consistent look throughout the whole application. But now we're seeing we are out of hand planners, and we have only got 4 of these self-sealing stem bolts. So let's go ahead and let's go back. Let's actually add to the inventory. Let's go to these self-sealing stem bolts, and let's go through and let's add 6 more. So we got them back up. We go to inventory. Everything's got 10 except for the hand planner. So now again, we'll go back and let's buy some more stuff. You know what? I really do want a hand planner. I'm sorry, we're sold out. Press enter, return to the store inventory. Okay, this time I want an impact driver. 10 of them. You know what? I really want 13. I'm sorry, I don't have that many. And it gives you the option to do it again. It's like, okay, you know what? No, if you don't have as many as I need, forget it. Press 0, no purchase made, and takes you back to the main menu. And then we quit, top out of the whole thing.